The 10 animals most resistant to diseases. In this intriguing video, we'll explore the astonishing world of organisms that defy health adversities. From the depths of the oceans to the mountain peaks, nature has endowed certain living beings with exceptional abilities to resist diseases. Get ready to discover the 10 animals most resistant to invisible threats that challenge their counterparts. Number 10. Ant. Ants, tiny yet remarkably resilient creatures, are extraordinary adversaries to adversities. Their resilience to diseases is a testament to the surprising adaptability and robustness that has evolved over millions of years. These social insects have developed an efficient immune system that allows them to resist a wide range of pathogens. Despite living in densely populated colonies where diseases could easily spread, ants have evolved collective defense mechanisms. Their social behavior, including mutual grooming and caring for larvae, acts as a barrier against infections. Ants also produce antimicrobial substances like acids and peptides, which help prevent the proliferation of pathogens in their nests. The resilience of ants to diseases isn't limited solely to their collective defenses. These insects are known for their ability to adjust their behavior based on biological threats. For example, when a colony is exposed to a pathogen, ants can alter their foraging patterns to avoid contaminated areas, thereby reducing the risk of disease spread. Number 9. Land hermit crab. The land hermit crab, also known as the terrestrial hermit crab, is a creature known for its remarkable resistance to diseases and its ability to adapt to various environments. Unlike its aquatic relatives, terrestrial hermit crabs have evolved to conquer land, carrying their portable shells and exceptional survival skills. These crustaceans are masters of recycling, often adopting abandoned shells from other mollusks to protect their vulnerable bodies. This ability to adapt and utilize available resources demonstrates their capacity to face challenges and overcome adversities. Moreover, their resistance to diseases is evident in their longevity, as many land hermit crabs can live for several years in captivity under the right conditions. The land hermit crab possesses a robust immune system that allows it to resist common diseases that might affect other animals. This resistance is partly due to its nomadic lifestyle and ability to switch shells when necessary, minimizing exposure to potential pathogens. Their ability to regenerate lost limbs also contributes to their durability, as they can quickly recover from injuries, further strengthening their position as one of the most resilient crustaceans. Number 8. Naked mole rat. The naked mole rat has captured the attention of the scientific community due to its notable resistance to various diseases. This small rodent, native to parts of East Africa, has developed unique characteristics that make it exceptionally resistant and long-lived compared to other mammals of similar size. One of the most outstanding features of the naked mole rat is its highly efficient immune system. Unlike other mammals, these rodents possess specialized immune cells that enable them to resist infections exceptionally well. They have been found to have a higher number of T cells, responsible for the immune response, contributing to their ability to fight diseases. Another factor contributing to the naked mole rat's resistance is its subterranean lifestyle. They live in complex underground colonies, limiting their exposure to external pathogens. Additionally, they maintain a hygienic environment in their burrows, further reducing the risk of infections. Number 7. Bat. The bat, an enigmatic creature of the night, stands out not only for its agile flight and echolocation ability but also for its remarkable resistance to various diseases. This flying mammal, belonging to the order Chiroptera, has developed over millions of years a set of biological adaptations that grant it robust immunity. One notable feature of bats is their ability to host viruses without succumbing to them. Although carriers of numerous pathogens like the rabies virus or coronaviruses, they are rarely affected by these infections. It's believed that this resistance is related to their unique immune system, which, compared to other mammals, seems more effective in controlling viral replication. Bats have also developed remarkable longevity compared to other mammals of similar size. Despite their small size, some bats can live for decades, surpassing the lifespan expectation of other animals of their size. This phenomenon has intrigued scientists, suggesting that disease resistance contributes in part to their longevity. Number 6. Whale. Whales, creatures that traverse the vast oceans, are true testimonies of resilience in the animal kingdom. These marine giants stand out not only for their imposing size and complex social behavior but also for their remarkable ability to resist diseases exceptionally well. One of the fundamental reasons for whales' resistance to diseases lies in their highly efficient immune system. Throughout evolution, these marine mammals have developed sophisticated immunological mechanisms to cope with various pathogens present in the aquatic environment. Their immune system has evolved to adapt to constant exposure to bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms in the water. Furthermore, whales possess an astonishing cellular regeneration capacity. Their ability to repair damaged tissues is exceptional, significantly contributing to their resilience against diseases. This phenomenon has fascinated scientists, as it could provide valuable insights for the development of advanced medical treatments in humans. Number 5. Elephant. The elephant, inhabitant of vast plains and dense jungles, stands out not only for its imposing size and exceptional intelligence but also for its remarkable resistance to diseases. These terrestrial colossi, belonging to the Elephantidae family, have evolved over millions of years, developing biological strategies that grant them impressive resistance to various ailments. One notable characteristic contributing to elephants' resilience is their advanced immune system. It has been discovered that these animals possess a variety of immunity-related genes that are unique compared to other mammals. Additionally, their blood contains high levels of lysozyme, an enzyme with antimicrobial properties, acting as an additional line of defense against pathogens. Another factor contributing to the elephant's robustness is their longevity. Although elephants are not immune to diseases, their extended lifespan allows them to develop natural immunity over the years. As they age, they accumulate experiences and exposures to various pathogens, further strengthening their immune system. Number 4. Tardigrade. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are fascinating microscopic organisms that have captured the attention of scientists and biology enthusiasts. Despite their tiny size, around 0.5 millimeters, their resistance to extreme conditions makes them true survivors. These tiny beings possess an amazing ability to withstand adverse environmental conditions that would be lethal to most organisms. Their remarkable resilience is largely due to their ability to enter a state known as cryptobiosis, in which they dehydrate their bodies to a nearly waterless state. In this state, tardigrades can survive extreme temperatures, radiation, high pressures, and toxic levels of chemicals. Tardigrades' extreme resistance to diseases and environmental conditions has captured the interest of the scientific community. Scientists are investigating the genetic and molecular adaptations that allow these organisms to survive in such inhospitable environments. Understanding these adaptations better could potentially be applied to develop technologies that enhance the resistance of other organisms, including humans, to adverse conditions. Number 3. Cockroach. Cockroaches, often associated with repulsion and unsanitary environments, are surprisingly resilient creatures that have existed on Earth for millions of years. These insects belong to the order Blatodia and have adapted remarkably to survive in a wide variety of environments, from dark corners of our homes to hostile outdoor settings. One of the most notable characteristics of cockroaches is their incredible resistance to diseases and adverse conditions. They have evolved to be extremely resistant to various pathogens and toxic substances. Their immune system is efficient and capable of fighting a wide range of microorganisms that could be deadly to other organisms. Cockroaches can feed on virtually anything, from food scraps to decaying matter, which gives them great versatility and allows them to adapt to environments with limited resources. Their ability to survive without water for extended periods is also impressive, making them resilient survivors even in conditions of extreme drought. Number 2. Shark. The shark, inhabitant of the oceans, stands as a notable example of disease resistance in the animal kingdom. Its unique physiology and evolutionary adaptations have bestowed these marine predators with extraordinary robustness against various pathogenic threats. Sharks have existed on Earth for millions of years, and over this extensive evolutionary period, they have developed an exceptionally efficient immune system. It is believed that the innate resistance of sharks to diseases is due to a combination of specialized biological factors, such as their ability to produce a wide variety of antibodies. One of the most fascinating aspects of the shark's immune system is its ability to generate antibodies called heavy-chain immunoglobulins, or AGNAR. Unlike mammals that produce antibodies with 2 chains, sharks generate AGNAR with a single chain. This structural uniqueness grants sharks exceptional flexibility and versatility in detecting and neutralizing pathogens, making their immune system highly resistant. Number 1. Crocodile. The crocodile, inhabitant of aquatic environments, stands as the supreme example of disease resistance in the animal kingdom. Over millions of years of evolution, these formidable reptiles have perfected their immune system, becoming true health titans in the wild. The crocodile's resistance to diseases is attributed to a unique combination of evolutionary adaptations. For instance, its skin acts as an impenetrable barrier that protects against external pathogens. This thick, scaly epidermis not only provides physical shielding but also possesses natural antimicrobial properties, giving the crocodile a robust defense against bacteria and other infectious agents. Moreover, the crocodile's immune system exhibits remarkable characteristics. Recent research has revealed that they have a high number of white blood cells, the body's soldiers that combat infections. This abundance of immune cells grants them exceptional ability to face and overcome microbial challenges.